The doubtful truth. Long ago, in a peaceful monastery, a group of monks gathered around Lord Buddha and asked, "Lord, are the rumors we hear true?" The Buddha smiled gently and replied, "No, my dear monks. Rumors are like the noise made by the hare, doubtful and misleading." The monks looked confused. "What noise, Lord?" they asked. And so Lord Buddha began to tell them a story. One sunny afternoon, a little hare was resting under an apple tree. The shade was cool and the breeze was gentle. As he lay there, a thought suddenly struck him. What would happen to me if the earth were destroyed? Just then, a ripe apple fell from the tree with a loud thud. Startled, the hare jumped up in fear. "The earth is collapsing," he screamed, and ran away as fast as his legs could carry him. On his way, he bumped into another hare. "What's wrong?" the second hare asked. Without stopping, the first hare yelled, "Don't ask! Just run! The earth is breaking up!" Out of fear, the second hare joined him. Then another hare, and another. Soon, a whole crowd of hares were running in panic, shouting the same rumor. "The earth is collapsing! Run for your lives!" As the terrified hares kept running, other animals noticed the commotion. "What's going on?" they asked. "The earth is collapsing!" cried the hares. Panic spread like wildfire. Soon herds of deer, boars, elks, buffaloes, wild oxen, rhinoceroses, even tigers and elephants joined in the mad rush, running for their lives. But just then, the mighty lion, king of the forest, heard the chaos. He stood firm and roared loudly 3 times. All the animals stopped in their tracks. "Stop! Why are you running?" asked the lion. The animals replied, "The earth is collapsing." "Who told you that?" the lion asked. After some questioning, it was revealed that it all started with one frightened hare. The lion turned to the hare and asked gently, "Is it true, little one? Did you see the earth collapsing?" The hare nodded quickly. "Yes, your majesty, I saw it with my own eyes." "Where?" asked the lion. The hare explained, "Near the river, under a grove of apple trees. I was resting there when I suddenly heard a loud sound, like the earth breaking apart, so I ran in fear." The lion listened carefully and understood. This was not the earth collapsing. It was a misunderstanding. He said to himself. He turned to the animals and said calmly, "Wait here. I will go with the hare to find out the truth." And so the lion and the hare set off together to discover what had really happened. The lion and the hare soon reached the place near the apple tree. "Show me the place you meant," said the lion. The hare, still scared, didn't go near. He pointed and said, "Over there, sir." That is where the dreadful sound came from. The lion calmly walked over. He looked around the tree, and there, lying on the ground, was a single ripe apple fruit. The lion smiled. He understood the truth. He returned to the waiting animals and said gently, "There is no danger. It was just a fruit that fell from the tree. The earth is not breaking apart." The animals were relief. They felt reassured and happy. They realized how close they had come to a great disaster just because of a rumor. Everyone returned to their homes and daily routines. Rumors are dangerous. They grow quickly. They spread fear and damage people's life in different ways. And they can lead many to make foolish decisions. Be calm and be patient. Never be too quick about anything.